Alright, well, it's Thursday, the day everybody's been waiting for, and today's a snow day. Most of the schools and everything made the right choice because it is snowing. It's been snowing for about 2-3 hours. We got maybe an inch and a half out there. Some people still braving the wind and snow. But Jeffrey's been up since about 8 this morning, which is surprising to me because he usually doesn't want to get up even at 7:30, 7:45. Jim's playing on the phone in there. I'm trying to get some stuff done around here, get some packing done. And on Facebook, Jim Cantori from the Weather Channel is in town, and he says, it appears we will be dry slotted here in Lincoln. This will drastically reduce our snow totals. So, hey, that's a good thing. Maybe instead of 5 to 8 or 9 inches, we'll probably only get 4 to 5. So let's check in with Jeffrey real quick. Hey man, what are you playing? Let me guess. San Andreas, right?
Multiplayer with an elevator.
Oh, you're at the elevator, huh? Okay.
That's ground floor.
That's right.
That's Diesel Ducey.
There's Diesel Ducey. Are you hungry for some lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you want to have for lunch? Hi, Diesel Ducey. Hi, Diesel Ducey, the train.
This is iPod Touch.
That's your iPod Touch, yeah.
With the inch by inch.
Inch by inch? Oh, okay.
With inchworm.
The inchworm, that's an old DVD you've had for a long time. All right, what do you want for lunch? What do you want to eat for lunch? Do you want pizza for lunch?
Shells and cheese.
You had shells and... Wait, I don't know. Did you have shells and cheese last night? Well, okay. As long as you want something to eat, that's really good for dinner, lunch, what am I saying? But, okay, shells and cheese it is. Go for a little snow run. Plenty of traction. With there being such a little wind, it really isn't that cold as long as you keep moving. So, look down on that. Beats being cooped up all day, just watching the same movies you've watched 100 times. Maybe we should play some Xbox. There we go. And now the wind size. 21 degrees. Looks like the snow's about halfway done. Let's go outside and take a quick look. It is just after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Most of the snow is just pretty much blowing, but we do have still got a little bit of light downfall. I wonder if the mail's been here yet. Nope, not yet. Not yet. Let's take some garbage out while we take the little trek. Yeah, I'd say about 3 inches, maybe 4. Hardly, actually. I mean, it's not even covering my shoe. So let's look over here. I mean, yeah, it's definitely still drivable out here. But let's go out here. Yeah, I'd say 3-4 inches so far. Someone tried to plow here.